So one of the cool things which I kind of found on the PC as well, it's the Lenovo ThinkBook Modular AI PC concept. And the cool thing about it is that, it's literally a laptop that you can just, travel with you. Is that it's fully modular, so you can take the keyboard out. You can use the second screen on the back. You can take the screen, out. Look, it's actually a second screen that you can actually attach it however you like. So that's the cool thing. And obviously, as you can see, it is a laptop, but when you close it fully, it can become your tablet. How cool is that? I think that's the direction technology can go. And one other thing which I do wanted to share with you, because I do think it's pretty cool, is this. So it is fully modular. So you can actually see I can swap the ports quickly for the HDMI, for USB-C, USB-A. How cool is that? Just holding the accessories with you. I like it. What do you think about it? Cool or cool? And if you like it, just hit that like and subscribe so up to date with everything what's going on MWC.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.